Hi everyone, so it's been a while since I did an unboxing, and today I'd like to show you what I got from Dior. So I ordered this from the website and it comes in this beautiful packaging. So they've got this beautiful ribbon which I haven't seen they use in store. So let's go ahead and open it. I know what's inside, but you guys would really like it. It's a perfect gift, or it's also a perfect item to purchase if you are thinking of venturing into fine perfumes. So here you go. You have Christian Dior, very sleek, very clean packaging with your CD there. And then it shows you what's there, all the items inside. So let's move on. Just need a little platform. I can show you guys properly. So here you go, and then let's open it. It is beautiful. So this, all 8 little perfumes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This cost around, I think it's £160, and then you get to choose 2 samples and another little perfume. So I chose another of the Leave the Oud Ispahan. So the perfumes included are this. So what we've got is Ambre Nuit. Forgive my French pronunciation, I don't really know how to pronounce it. Got this I have been wanting to get, but I'm not sure that I want to spend £200 all at once without trying the perfume. And then this, I love Jasmin, and this they've sprayed this on my paper bags whenever I buy something from Dior, so I know how this smells like, and it's really nice, and it stays for a long time. I bought something from Dior and they sprayed it and the whole house smelled of it for a long time, I think until now. And this, so if you're thinking of buying or venturing into fine perfumes, this is a perfect way to try them out. So you get how much is it? 7.5 mil. So you get 7.5 mils in each in each item, in each scent. It looks so cute to look at that. And you can just open it, and then there you go. If you have a vaporizer or a little, how'd you call it, the travel perfume dispenser, is that how you call it? Then you can definitely use that to put one of these. So there you go, your perfume samples.